Think your English pronunciation is perfect? Then pronounce these 4 words before Ayesha does. Let's see if you get them all right.
Good morning, girls. Today, we're holding our annual English pronunciation competition. Yes, miss, I'm ready.
V get a bull.
She said V get a bull. Come for bull. Don't worry, Ayesha. Try again. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Vegetable, opportunity, schedule.
Good luck, Ayesha. You can do this. I am ready to begin the pronunciation competition. Vegetable, Wednesday, schedule, opportunity. Colonel! Congratulations, Ayesha. You are our most improved speaker.
Wow, thank you, teacher.
We're so proud of you, Ayesha.
Hooray!